Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are usually careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, first you must register your account. Okay, Solmax Global. Okay, group. This is the Solmax Global company. Okay, and SMG tokens here available. Okay, just click here to register your account. This link you will find into the description of this video. And second one, Account.Exchange. Because in this exchange, SMG tokens you can buy and sell. Okay, after withdrawal, use this exchange to buy and sell. And why we use this exchange? Okay, I am telling you, because on this exchange you can also stake tokens, coins, many things, more benefits. Okay, for this exchange you can use for SMG tokens buy and sell, and also staking your other coins and tokens. Okay, great benefits. Just I am first clicking here. After clicking here, this link will open onto a browser. Okay, okay, just fill this. Okay, your first name, last name, your email address. Okay, some new investors, that's called Gmail. Okay, email address and username, all of this. Check this and click here to submit. Okay, this company, Solmax Group. And second link is Account Exchange. Just click here. After clicking here, it will open onto a browser. Okay, this is my referral code. Use this referral code to register your account to get discount, transaction fee, and extra bonus. Just type here your email address. Okay, and choose a password. Okay, type this screen captcha and click here to submit. Okay, here is your Gmail or email address. Okay, click here to submit. Then you can use both of them. Okay, Solmax Group and this. Okay, you can get team bonus here, and here you will get fee discount and extra bonus. Okay, but its price is down. Okay, 0.009. Okay, current price, but now I am selling it. Okay, sell it. For example, first I am checking the price of this. Okay, check the price, 0.00824,200. Okay, as you will see here, low and high, and this current price is okay, this, and this price is low and this price is high in 24 hours. Okay, and current price is not high. Okay, I am exit this full screen. Now just click here. Okay, limit. After clicking limit, click here to 100%. Okay, because I am selling whole of them 100%, 66,002, and I have received 6602 USDT. Okay, as you will see here is showing buy rate and here is showing sell. Okay, okay, I am again clicking assets. Now I am again clicking trading. Okay, after clicking trading and USD, okay, and click here SMG. Okay, and SMG USDT. Okay, now I am clicking here 100%. Okay, okay, and current price is 0.009 as you will see here. Okay, and I have received 59.41 USDT. Okay, just click here to sell it. As you will see here, limit and your confirm order. Click here to confirm it. Confirm successful. Okay, as you will see here, my order is showing here. Okay, limit order, and click here my trading history. In this way you can buy and sell, okay, any token or coins. It's spot trading. Okay, limit order. On this exchange, market order is not available. Okay, buy low and sell high, any coins or any tokens on any exchange. Okay, you can also cancel this order at any time. Okay, it's not filled because my USD balance is 0. It's limit order. Okay, limits order is pending. Okay, okay, it takes some time to complete the order. because market orders are executed immediately. Limit orders, okay, that's not executed immediately. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, I am again cancel it. Okay, after canceling this order, because as you will see here, the rate is here 0.89990. okay, SMG token rate is this. Okay, 0.0089999. okay, I am typing here same rate. Okay, 89999. okay, same rate on here, as you can see here. Okay, 8999. okay, I am zooming it so clearly see it. Okay, and after that 000. If I am clicking here 100%, okay, click here 100%, I am receiving 65.95. okay, now click here to sell it. Okay, and click here to confirm it. Okay, click here to confirm. Okay, now check it here. As you will see here, this order is not filled yet. Okay, check the price again. Okay, price is same. Okay, if I am again cancel it, as you will see here, okay, I am again cancel it, click. Okay, and I am typing here this. Okay, 0.008999 and click here 100%. Okay, after clicking here 100%, and now click here to sell it. As you will see here, because market price is, okay, now going to 0.008. okay, 0.008, okay, 99900, okay, and okay, click here to 100%. okay, not buy, sell it, because your buy balance is 0. okay, sell it after, and click here to sell, and click here to confirm it, click here to success. As you will see here, now rate is 0.008999. Okay, and you will receive 59 USDT. Okay, order is pending. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, approximately 8 hours, 6 hours to complete my order. As you will see here, it's limit order, and here market order is not available, and limit order takes time. Okay, because it's your desired price. Now I am clicking here on assets. Okay, after clicking here assets, and here as you will see USDT. Okay, and the balance is what? 59 USDT. Okay, I sold my SMG tokens and I received 59 USDT. Means that you have sold SMG and buy USDT. Okay, means that in spot trading.